What's up, guys? So in this video I wanted to quickly use Only Luminar to do a full retouching on a photo. This took me all of like 8 minutes, including selecting the photo, which you can see here. I did skin cleaning, I did some color stuff, I did sharpening, everything in Luminar, only Luminar 4, and no Photoshop. And then at the end you can see the full edited and unedited photo side by side. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any questions or if you want to try out Luminar for free, there's a trial down below. Please use my link. Thanks again. If you want to see me do a tutorial or something, let me know about what in the comments and I will get that filmed for you. For now, I'm going to do these speed edits till I get some feedback from you guys. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks, and check all the links below for my other channels. Peace.